Hello everyone, I am Jodhimani Kalyanam, proprietor of SRIDHANYA Smart Service. We are one of the cutting floater dealer in India. So many floaters we are selling in Tamil Nadu. So we are servicing all over India. Our customers have more in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra, Telangana, Pondicherry, Kerala, and North India. So now you see this cutting floater. The name of Skycut C24, the 24-inch width, 2 feet, the touching display cutting floater, camera cut touching display, and alloy fiber body, aluminum body, full body bed. So these are the Skycut. We are one of the dealer of in Skycut primary, our cutting floater in primary selling in Skycut C24 and C16, D24, V24 and V48, the double side cutting floor, double side dual head cutting and folding. So if you want the cutting floaters, Skycut cutting floater, please call or message our number. Contact SRIDHANYA Smart Service, number 284 VOC Street, AM Colony, Annur, Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore. Phone number 9842563478. So in this video, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and please stay on our channel for cutting floaters, details, images, videos, and etc. Thank you for giving good opportunity. Thank you. I am Jodhimani Kalyanam. Thank you.